Hello class, my name is Matthew Marinari, and before I get into my topic, did you know that there's a way to eat chocolate and not have it negatively impact your health? Well, eat in moderation, dark chocolate can actually offer several health benefits. While I have a moment of everybody's time, I would like to address some of these particular health benefits and why they're so beneficial and how. According to an article I found by Anna Brooks, author of 8 Healthy Reasons to Eat Dark Chocolate, she explains that within the antioxidants found in dark chocolate, they contain something called phytonutrients, which are also known as flavonoids. These are essentially plant chemicals that act as antioxidants when they enter the body. When these antioxidants are entering the body, they can help a person reduce their chances of heart disease and stroke, enhance their cognitive skills and memory, and improve upon mental disorders they might be struggling with. As I mentioned, flavonoids can do wonders for the human body, and in regards to reducing heart disease and stroke, it can do things like improve blood circulation and lower blood pressure. And another article I found by Chris Gunner's article of seven healthy reasons to eat dark chocolate, he explains that when we consume dark chocolate, the antioxidants found within it can help the body produce endothelium, which are flat cells found within blood vessels and lymphatic vessels. When our body is producing these flat cells, it can help encourage nitric oxide. Now, nitric oxide is critical for the human body because it widens our blood vessels and helps blood circulate throughout the body much better. It can circulate better throughout our heart, our brain, everywhere. And when this is happening, it will in turn lower our blood pressure or help us get to an ideal point that we need to be at to be considered healthy. As I mentioned with the nitric oxide, it's critical because it helps blood circulate to the body so much easier. The same thing goes for our cognitive skills. When blood is running and flowing through the brain easier, it helps improve our learning and our problem-solving skills. It keeps the brain healthy and avoids any damaging things that can happen to it. Dark chocolate also has something called caffeine in it, which you probably heard of. And this is important because this can help us concentrate better, it can help retain our memory, and it can just keep us focused. Now, something that works in tandem with that also is found in dark chocolate is magnesium. Magnesium is a compound that most people don't even have in their dietary intake, but should. And it's important because it acts as a relaxer for the body. And when we are relaxed, we can focus better, we can concentrate better, and we can retain knowledge much easier. And it works in tandem with caffeine well. And mentioning magnesium, this can also have improvement towards people struggling with mental disorders. People who struggle with anxiety will notice a change in how they can handle their anxiety because when we're consuming magnesium, as I mentioned, it is a relaxer. And it can calm our body down, it can calm our mind down, and it can help us be in control of our anxiety when it starts to get out of hand. Another mental disorder it can help upon is clinical depression. When we consume dark chocolate, the antioxidants can speak to our neurotransmitters and help the body release serotonin. It's similar to endorphins, and it is the chemical that releases happiness. This is so important for people struggling with depression, as when we release when we release serotonin, it can help boost a person's mood as well as their social behaviors. Overall, I think dark chocolate can have some great benefits all around. The cons outweigh the goods when you eat it in moderation. And the antioxidants known as flavonoids are wondrous for the human body. So maybe the next time you have that late night craving or just have a craving in general, maybe just have a piece of dark chocolate and I'm sure you'll feel better afterwards. Thank you.